In order to examine the quality of the lighting and the shadows, you may use a very simple test. Take a pen in your hand and hold it in the area of interest. Lower the pen towards a white piece of paper and observe the pen and the shadow. Look how the pen touches the shadow and determine whether you like what you see. In this case we have a very bright light source and a very narrow beam, which determines it exactly and very precise how the light setting is. For some tasks this lighting would be perfect, for other tasks it may be too sharp a light and too sharp a shadow. But it's a very simple test in finding out how a shadow looks. Again, the same simple test. Hold the pen horizontal, lower it towards the paper, and now it touches the paper. But observe the shadow. In this diffuse lighting, it's difficult to determine the distance, and you lose a lot of information by not having a direct component that shows you how close you are to the paper. The same test again. This time the light is still narrow, but it comes from the right. So already now you see the shadow both from the pen and from my hand. And the moment I lower the pen, doing exactly the same as I did before, the shadow is very precise, but it's covered in the shadow from my hand. So you have to decide what you like when you look at it, because you are the one who is going to work in this lighting.